made it to our first stop in Burns, Oregon. We're stopping to get some food at Safeway. Are you hungry, Levi? What do you want to get to eat?
I need to go to the bathroom. Lime? Yes. It's better. It's the best one.
Gotta get some steps in. We're just at a park, eating lunch. Before we hit the road again, we're about, oh, I don't even know, maybe halfway done with the driving for the day. So we're headed next to Steens Mountain. Mountains? Are there multiple Steens Mountains? I don't know. Maybe you should try on the underside like Dad's doing.
I already did.
Oh.
I've tried both.
Very slippery.
Yeah.
Got it.
You want to share it in the car?
Yeah.
So that's the grapefruit. Do you have a favorite of the 4 sparklings?
I haven't had enough to determine my favorite. So far, every single one's been good.
Okay. Got to get some B-roll for, you know, when make my sponsored spots.
I should have filmed the bee on the mirror then.
Hey, you know what I mean.
So it's closed?
Why couldn't
Maybe.
I find that info online? I looked all over.
Maybe no Steens Mountain today. At least we're in the Steen Mountain vicinity. No going to the summit, but the scenery is still beautiful.
Gosh, I look like I'm staring into the sun.
Yeah, your eyes are bugging from not sleeping much last night, probably.
Probably. A little tired.
I'm trying really hard to not stand still when we're out of the car. If we're out of the car, we're walking. Or at the park, the last park, we did a couple of sprints. Trying really hard to stay focused on movement, especially on days when we have no choice but to sit in the car for long periods of time. We'll see how it goes. Let's see. I'm only at 3,500 steps today, and it is already almost 1 p.m. So that's way less than normal. We'll see how many I can get by the end of the day. Smile. You're not smiling. What did you hear?
Like
Bird.
deer.
Let's walk.
Didn't you hear that?
I think it's a bird.
Oh, I heard meh.
You think there's a deer that makes that noise out here?
Yeah.
I just guess it's possible. Social distancing before it was cool.
So July 4th.
These are really cute. Look at these little cuties.
Mom,
These ducks are adorable.
Stingray.
That is so cute.
That's my favorite.
Oh my goodness.
And this one has a saw blade.
What? That's dangerous. Oh, those are pretty too, aren't they?
That bird made out of a shovel blade.
Oh wow, those are cool. Wow. So cute.
Hey, come here.
Look at this
It's
bird.
a bird. I know, it's so cool.
So cute.
Is it a quail?
It looks like a roadrunner.
Hmm.
It looks like the roadrunner.
This looks like a crane or like a...
Mm-hmm. Or a heron.
That's a heron, yeah.
And the two
Mosquito.
Mom, that was angry.
Those are so pretty. This little coffee shop and store is super cute. Super, super cute. So with the Steens Mountain Road being closed, it is actually cutting off like 2 or more hours from our driving time, because going up that road to the summit was going to take at least an hour and then have to come all the way back. So we're actually, it's kind of nice. I mean, it would have been a lot of fun to go up, but there's still snow apparently. Anyways, so we're gonna probably get to the hotel a little sooner than expected, which will be nice because we have driven a lot already today.
Hey, cow.
Hey cows! You wanna hop in? Look at the pretty wildflowers.
I saw one that had like a
Oh, hi, cow.
The baby. We're not gonna do anything bad. Don't worry. Don't worry. Oh, hiding behind mom's tail. That's so cute.
It's a very young calf.
Yeah, brand new.
I see one.
Stop.
Can't they read that no trespassing sign?
Stop rolling.
Well, I'm backing up till we're close.
You see it?
I see him.
I wonder if they know we're here. They're all just like,
Yeah. It's gonna get up for
have
us.
like different colored fur like that.
oh,
Gonna show us his butt.
yeah. They grow that thick top coat during the winter and they shed it in the summer, so they're shedding it now. That's their long winter coat. Yeah. So the one that's laying down right in front of us still has a lot of it gone. Oh, perfect. Get a video. Get a video. I modified my garden hose to dispense nacho cheese.
Why? Why do you have to say that? You just ruined everything for me.
We found our first stop for the night. Got to figure out where we're staying exactly. So this is the only place we're staying, I think, that is not an Airbnb. This is actually a little hotel, but we got our own little cottage here, which will be fun. A fridge, that'll be nice.
Makes me feel so tall.
Look at that sink.
Yeah. Oh, got some couches. Oh wow, there's a lot of rooms.
We might each get our own room.
Yeah.
There's 4 bedrooms.
my
There's 2 bathrooms.
And they're all pretty big beds. I don't see a single twin.
Yeah, they all have
There's 2
queen beds.
bathrooms and 4 bedrooms.
What's back there, Levi? Just the
Door.
storage area. I don't think we need to go back there.
Yeah. There's
That'll work.
4 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms.
Nice. Here's my on-the-road dinner. Picked up a salad at the store when we were there, and it's got a dressing in here, but I'm not going to use that. I actually brought, I forgot to bring it out. I brought my own dressing. I had a bottle of Italian avocado oil dressing that I brought because it's hard to find good dressing when you're out, and if you do, it's going to be like $8. So anyways, I brought that along with me. This is some chicken that I had left in the fridge before we left, and I just threw it in the bag. So I'm going to add that because the toppings are pretty minimal. And then some Greek yogurt with some peanut butter. Oh, and this was blue cheese that was in the fridge at home also, and I was like, that's not going to freeze well. So I just threw it in. So I'm going to add blue cheese to my Cobb salad. Not a terrible meal for being on the road. We set out on an adventure walk after dinner, and we found this little dirt road, gravel road, and it's just going on and on and on into the sunset. It is amazing. It's amazing. It's not into the forest. I wouldn't really call this a forest. These little bushes are not trees, they're bushes. There's some horseshoe tracks, and we saw some coyote tracks, and Renee found a tuft of coyote fur. I think that's what that is.
Imagine we kept a coyote.
Oh, we almost have a coyote. Her name is Izzy. Yeah. She's as close to a coyote as we'll ever have.
Well, Mom,
Yeah.
if we find a coyote, it's not scared of us, not being to us, so nice to us, keep it.
Oh, okay. I've gotten in an hour walk so far, 6,400 steps. I got to be getting pretty close to my goal, so I just want to get it done. But it's only, 6:20 in the evening, so I think I'm doing pretty good. Because we didn't end up doing that longer drive up the mountain, we had more time here at the little motel, and I've been able to get some good walking in, so I might hit my step goal today after all. I did it! What? Did it tumble to you?
No.
No?
No.
Where was it?
It was just in the middle of the tree.
Oh,
Next to it.
maybe you should let it go with the wind and it'll tumble. Are you guys doing a tumbleweed race?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead. You gotta wait for the wind. Oh, it's starting to pick up. Oh, oh, there they go, there they go. I think Renee won. Oh, maybe not. Levi's coming from behind. Woo! I think Levi won.